Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be sanding down the ram on the hydraulics for the Simplicity, which now work, and we are going to be lubricating the pulleys on the Cub. So, kitty!
There's a cat.
Kitty, barn kitty. Alright, let's get going, Jake.
Okay.
Oh, give me the WD-40.
What, you want the WD-40 now?
Yeah, I do. Whoa.
Yeah, come here. Scale, out of the barn. This video is not sponsored by WD-40. You just find WD-40 as a very good product.
We endorse them, but are not sponsored by them.
First we gotta spray some on the ram, and then we're gonna use some synthetic steel wool because we couldn't find real steel wool.
Without soap in it. Good enough.
Because the reason we're doing this is because the ram has rust on it, and that's not good.
Yeah, it'll damage your seal. Your hydraulics won't work anymore. This isn't exactly easy to get to, either.
Unlike we're on the Kubota, all the hydraulics are exposed and you can get to them.
This is a hydrostatic, so not only the hydraulics for a lift, they're also for the transmission. Alright.
And over here on the Cub doesn't actually have any hydraulic rams.
All
It's just got a hydraulic pump inside.
Oh, God, I got dirt in my eye.
That's why you should wear safety glasses, kid.
Yeah. We don't, I have safety glasses, but I don't use them.
That is not a good idea. Do
Now
not
this-
follow what my brother does.
Now this is a rag that I'm just using, an old shirt, to dry off the excess WD-40 now that I've scrubbed it down. Now if I can get my hand over here. And if you can turn the light on there, Jake, show them what the ram looks like under here.
What way?
Yeah, the one on the camera.
How do you turn that on?
I don't know.
I don't think you can.
Oh, well, okay then.
I don't. You can't really see up there.
No, I can't even see. Oh, that looks a whole lot better. That actually looks really nice.
Yeah. There's a big silver shiny thingy. Let me see if I can find. No, they're all kind of all
Yeah.
covered up on the Kubota.
Well, the Simplicity was parked for 5 years.
Yeah, the Simplicity was parked for 5 years and did absolutely nothing. So
And the ram was left open, so it got little spots of rust on it.
which you don't want.
And that's what I'm getting off.
And next, stay tuned because we will be looping down these pulleys right
That
here,
actually looks really nice.
which don't move. Well, they do. Really hard.
Yep. You got a bit of dirt off of that. There wasn't much, but I got all the rust off. It dripped onto the stones. And now we are good. Under there.
Okay. Now we can move the lights over here and shine it on the pulleys.
These lights are like brightness.
Super bright. I can smell something burning.
Probably all these cobwebs on here.
Move it closer.
What, this?
Yeah, try to put like, there we go.
Alright.
Now we'll hand the camera over to my brother.
Alright, give me the camera.
And then, so these gears, these are for the, the pulleys. They're for the flail mower, which I have shown you before. But they are very stiff because they haven't been used in like 8 years. So we're just going to spray some WD-40 on the joints here, on the bushings. Try to work that in there and get them all lubed up. This one over here spins better than the other one, but it doesn't spin really good.
They're loosening up.
Yep. Ugh. We have to let them sit for a little bit. But while that sits, I think I'll give you a rundown of the tractor, because I really haven't done that yet.
Oh, you haven't done that yet?
No.
I thought you would have done that by now.
Yeah, like, I showed you the tractor and everything on it, but this here is a 3-speed. This is your clutch, so you will push that in and then shift your gears. And then these two are a brake. This one's the left brake, and this one's the right brake, and you can lock them together over here. They're not very straight, but
They get the job done.
yeah. And this here's your starter. You will pull that and it'll start up, but we don't have a battery in it right now. And this one's your choke. This is how you would actually start it. There's no key on this. You will pull that out and you'll pull that and it would start. And then this down here, this is your fuse. This is your light switch right here. And then this one's your throttle. Up, that's more throttle. That's more throttle, not less throttle. This one's your hydraulics. That's raised hydraulics. That's lowered hydraulics. And then this down here, that's your PTO, which you have to press the clutch in. And then you push that down, pull it back. That engages your PTO, which is this. But since I have my foot on the clutch, you can still spin it. If I've taken the foot off, you can't spin it. And then if you come over here, this is for your flail mower, which goes, it hooks up back there, comes over here. And there'll be there's a big bar on it, and it hooks on right here. And it hooks down on part on the mower, and then there's a chain that hooks on right here. This is part of the hydraulic pump. This right here, that's the hydraulic pump in there. This is your starter, and then there's your steering right here. That's connected to the steering wheel here. And it goes down here into the
Steering box.
Then here's your steering rods, which I need to replace because they're really wiggly, but nobody ever greased them. That's kind of like, there's your oil pressure gauge, which you can't really see, but it's in there.
It's the big circle you can see right now.
That's pretty much the parts on the tractor that you need done.
Missing the hand crank.
Yeah, the hand crank goes on the floor right here. Here's the grill, which we have taken off right now because this will come off, and that's how you access the spark plug. So we'll be a video on that, maybe like this weekend or so. The radiator. And the steering crank, it goes in right here in this hole, and it goes in there and turns the engine. This is your dipstick.
Look how runny that oil is.
Yeah,
It blows in the
water
wind.
up there. In there. So So let's go back down to the gears.
And see if these pulleys are loosened up.
They're better. That one's better. A lot better.
Meow. Scout.
Alright, that might be it for our video today. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up down there. Make sure you hit that little bell. See you later.